monster trucks and proving grounds. The road to Camp Crush. Last time at Demo Derby's junkyard, the trucks got a rude awakening from the wrecking ball. Now that the monster trucks know exactly what giant, destructive, huge obstacle they're facing, will anyone be able to make it to the finish line? Let's find out.
Boom!
This is Proving Grounds. The road to Camp Crush.
I told you all, my junkyard never runs out of surprises. If you don't watch it, you're gonna end up as scrap before we even make it to Camp Crush.
Even after getting knocked around by that wrecking ball, these monster trucks are still revving to snatch a win and prove themselves top truck going into Camp Crush. Next to take on the wrecking ball,
You got gunked.
Gungster.
That wrecking ball's got nothing on Gungster. A little gunk should help this situation.
Looks like he has an idea that might just stick.
Get ready, wrecking ball. You're about to get gunked.
Will Gungster's tricks be enough to finally beat the unbeatable wrecking ball? No monster truck has come close to the finish line. Will Gungster be the first and drive away with a win? Go big, go Hot Wheels!
Woohoo!
Gungster coming through.
That extra gunk helps Gungster stick the tricky tumble through the barrels.
You got gunked, Barrel.
But can he stick the landing?
That's the wrecking ball. Looks like he thinks there's something else first. Are you sure about that?
Sticky. Who's next?
Seriously, I need help. Someone.
Let's shake it up! It's my junkyard after all. Time for an alternate route.
Go big, go Hot Wheels!
Boom! A little off-road action coming through.
Demo Derby better not try anything.
Anything sneaky at our own junkyard. What if we're in the wrecking ball working together to win? Where is Demo Derby?
And with that double takeout, the wrecking ball is still undefeated.
Never mind, we're good.
Let's see if 5 Alarm can break through.
Whoa!
5 Alarm!
This counts as an emergency, so let's use the fire access ramp to get past this thing. Whoa, gotta watch out for those cranes.
Go big, go Hot Wheels!
Bring in the heat.
5 Alarm just misses the swinging cars from the junkyard cranes.
Whoa!
But the emergency route does.
Whoa!
But the emergency route.
Whoa!
But the emergency route.
Whoa!
But the emergency route.
Whoa!
But the emergency route doesn't have the zip to make it over the gap. 5 Alarm ends up in the ditch.
That fire route was a little too safe. I gotta turn.
Distance left.
The trucks keep trading.
Wrecking ball. Wants to take on the wrecking ball as the legend who started it all. Time for me to show these truck gods how it's really done. It's just you and me, Wrecker. Every crush that's come before is a lesson for the crush you're about to embark on.
What is he doing? He's not moving. He's just watching, waiting.
Almost. Gotta time it just right. And now!
Bigfoot flies off the ramp. Check out the living legend fly. Bigfoot makes it past the wrecking ball. And he's across the finish line. Let's see that again. He timed his launch perfectly. Right in between the wrecking ball swings. Go big, go Hot Wheels. Bigfoot wins.
Here comes the crush.
Bigfoot knew that patience and timing was more important than power and torque. He walks away with the win towards Camp Crush.
Timing and patience were the secret? Ha! That's easy! The wrecking ball isn't so tough now.
The wrecking ball timed crushing you perfectly.
Bigfoot Blackfoot best the Wrecking Ball to win this round, but the training at the blast station for the next competition never stops.
Wahoo! Crush!
Who else can show they have what it takes to be ready for Camp Crush? Find out next time on Proving Grounds. Road to Camp Crush.